rockstar lifestyle when I'm gon' make it. I done came up and all these niggas, yeah, they haters. She told me that she loved me, always knew that she was faking. MG on the BG, wait till I'm the greater.
What is up, Go fam? You already know we out here. Right now I'm on the motorbike. I'm about to go to South Philly, but for some reason my gas keep leaking out like a lot. Yesterday I started riding it, I couldn't even start it. It was literally no gas at all. And Tree said the gas tank on these last a minute, but mine don't. So it's something with this wire or something. And when I put it in my house, all this gas be leaking out, so there's definitely something wrong with it. But, oh. Bam, bam, bam. Oh, hold up. Yeah, I'm gonna wait till I get off the hill to put some work in. Nah, I'm gonna peg work the whole thing. Oh! Shoot! Yo, I almost got hit by a car on this thing like 10 times already, I wouldn't lie. Traffic work, oh, cut up. You know, I still gotta put the hole in my joint so this can stop doing this. That is annoying. A little ill, but still, guess what? No more pedaling up this thing, Nah, I'm gonna start riding my pedal bike again. I was just getting back to the combos on that thing too. Watch, next time I ride again, I'm gonna be worming. Let's see some combos. Beep. Hold up. Oh, watch them. Oh. Oh shoot, almost just went down. I need to put a Maxxis on this back tire. Well, this is not even my back rim. Like I said in the video that I built this on, if you got a big ripper rim for sale, hit me up, please. I need one. Cause this is not even mine. This is Tweet's back rim. But I need one. Hold on, cone flip. I ain't do one of these in a minute. Dang, this old cone heavy. Oh! Stop playing with me. You see that, right? You see that? Go this, you heard? Oh! Imagine if I bent that corner. That would have been crazy. Oh! Ooh, that was scary. Bro, if I could make a disc brake one of these, oh my. That would be way better than this. I don't trust these brakes sometimes, bro. Weird. The rim always moves, all that. Unreal. Sending me some gloves. I ain't gonna lie, I forgot they even made gloves. I was supposed to hit them up and give them my address to send them, but I forgot all about them. I recently did, so I can stop complaining about my hands hurting. Yeah. Watch them. Oh. This joint don't hit all the way. I need more power. I need more power. Oh yeah, pulling up to my block there. Right past the wall. Oh. Here. What's up, Ryan? Yeah. Blocks on blocks, yeah? Oh. Ah, don't drop! Don't drop! Stop playing with me, don't drop. Ah! Don't drop. Ah! Finally dropped. Oh, them things making that noise. I'm about to back now. Oh, shit. That whip game, you see that? We just filled this two smoker up. Yeah, mix that ting up. Mix that ting up.
This shit hot.
Ain't done go through the joint, the gas line. What's up? Nah, oh, we flooding it. Whoa.
Flooded with the gas off.
Oh, all right, my fault, cousin. Man, they just burned me to my bike. Tweet out here on his new little ooh. And we got the bike oots. What's out here? Well, Tweet's John, it ain't running. What's up with your bike?
Tire can't start it.
The bike ooh. He got to put gas in it then. Tweet, show him how it's done. Show him how the ooh is done. The bike ooh. Word. Yeah, Tweet. Oh, word. Oh, whoa. Nick was riding my bike with the gas off. Tap, Jimmo. But look at all the gas leaking. That shit's growing. Hoagie. Look at my gas line. Look at his. This thing is gas is leaking everywhere. Oh, that's the cop. From the video. Tweet trying to talk to the cop.
Get in the bottle.
Holy.
Yeah.
This one is loose as ever. It's rolling. Whoa. I don't know what's up with mine, but look at all the gas is leaking.
Dying.
See it?
It's the joint right there in between the gas lines, the filter.
So now we about to go to Pep Boys or Auto, I don't know, somewhere, Home Depot, something, so I can get a new gas line, as this joint mocked up. And this, look at that. Oh, it's soaked. Holy. But you see how we mobbing. We got the bike oots. Then we got the scoot. Oh yeah, we mobbing outside. Yeah, we mobbing. Oh, bro, my throttle is so loose. I gotta try to fix that thing. Oh. Oh, all the gas is spilling on me. Dang. Oh, we got. Tweet should be in front beeping the horn so we don't get smacked. Tweet don't want to race that hoagie. Oh, bend the corner. Oh shoot! Oh! All right, so we didn't find one. Now we about to go to Home Depot to go find one. Damn, we just took it off and it started right back up. Oh, 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 oh. We outside. Dang, they knocked all this down. That's crazy. What? Oh! Oh, Simon, I guess. He's chilling! He ain't got no back brakes neither. He got front brakes. Filter no more, so let's see how this is go. Hopefully I can not use the filter though. Huh? Say if this gonna start breaking down without the filter. What did they even filter even for? So we put a new gas line on, but I gotta clean this joint now because it's gas everywhere. Oh yeah. You got the stroke in that thing.
Where the line at?
In my pocket, I think. But now we about to go gas up. Well, I'm full, but he got gas up there. Yes.
You ain't fitting no gas in it?
We trying gas up. What all that doing? What's up with him? Okay, he used the 93 pressure for the bike. Wait, did I use 93 yesterday? Yeah, I did. And I just poured 2-stroke. I don't know how much or anything. I just poured it. I don't think it's leaking no more. Let's go. Go, go, go. You about to fill out the bike. Oh,
So you gotta do this,
Worm.
too much gas in here.
Worming.
That's just gonna go to a
Sweet,
waste.
if he can't gas it, he can't ride it, Sweet. Come on.
That's just gonna go to a waste. See?
Watch out, watch out.
Oh. Oh yeah, y'all about to waste gas. Y'all about to waste $3. Oh. That's $1 waste. Paint is probably gonna be done on this joint from all the gas leaking. Your boy got a new and he bougie. What's up with you? I had my other gas line because it got the whatchamacallit on there, and I didn't know how it was just gonna run. I'm like, yo, Tweet, put that joint in there. He, no, bro. Hey, you got no new little
I said put it in.
Now you high. What's up with him, Nick?
You gonna smell like gas either, you got gas in it.
Right, I'm all taught it. Anyway, never. I know I'm scared. Last time I got on the highway with a pedal bike, it wasn't good. Oh. Oh. Hold on, let me start mine back up. This scream, you ready for mine? I'm not you. You scared on the highway?
Shit kept bugging out.
Oh, yeah. I ain't gonna lie, I was scared, but I don't know if anyone ever did that on one of those ones. But we ain't doing it on one of them, we did it on two of them. Yeah. Sight.
One fucking limb.
I mean, we got the full Niskies out here, you hear me? We got the little Niski. I ride up the dirt draw, I'm about to try. Come on, Si. Whoa! I was going too slow. Man, they did all this stuff. That's crazy. Worm! Oh yeah, no gas. No gas, all pedal. Yeah. UK style too. I'll see the bobs. You hear me? I made it up there on that hoagie, so I gotta make it up. This throttle is so loose, that is just rolling. Hold on, I gotta make it up though. I didn't even make it all the way up. All right, so you're about to get some GoPro work on the bike. You think you got work on that, John?
A little bit.
I think you worming. I think you worming, but let's see if he got some work on it. Switching to his camera right now.
Oh, grab it. Oh, it's that out. Ah, my thumb. Whew, I got a broken hand. This is hurt. Time was enough. Look. Oh! Get her in the packs. Come on. Come on. Come on.
see.
Hold on, I'm about to land it this time. Oh.
Go fam, this is the end of this video. I don't know what's up with me. Keep forgetting to do my outros and all that. I didn't even say nothing after that. I'm tripping, slacking. But this is the end of this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Sair was getting busy on that thing. Go subscribe to his channel, also link in the description. But he was getting busy on the motorbike. But stay tuned for another vlog with the motorbike. Itchy, itchy, itchy. But thanks for watching. You know the vibes go fam. Subscribe if you aren't already. You know the vibes. We out.